Hello!
Hey guys!
We're live!
Oh my gosh, I can tell the live chat's going crazy.
Yeah, this is amazing. I really like to see your excitement, guys. And today we're gonna make a game that is totally out of my comfort zone, but
Yes.
you guys asked for. So
Yeah, we're trying something new.
here we are, and bear with us today. So yeah, how you guys doing? I see a lot of comments and there's 10 people watching us right now, so whoa.
Yes.
Welcome. So I'm gonna share my iPad with you guys so we can start like playing. I don't know. I haven't played much this kind of game, but I downloaded it on my iPad, so maybe you guys can check it out. Was it defense? Defense. Oh no, I deleted. Never mind.
She
I
deleted
deleted it because my
it.
iPad didn't have storage, so never mind. All right, so let's. Oh, it's here. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's kind of like this, but I don't want you guys to have too much expectations with a 3D, because iPad is not like a 3D thing. It's like a 2D. But this is kind of like what it looks like, and yeah, like. Have you been playing this kind of game before, Ice Cold? Like I don't know, like I
I
this
actually haven't
reminds
played
me,
it either.
right? You guys asked for it, so we're gonna deliver. So
Yeah,
I
so
already
they're
have some.
asking if it's like Bloons Tower Defense or Plants vs Zombies.
Okay,
I don't
okay.
know. Honestly, you guys can
Is the
decide
audio
like
okay?
what type of defense tower defense game to like base off of because like we're just starting from scratch.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So the audio is okay. Um, I just want to show you guys that I already made a game here. It's called Tower Defense Game. It's super creative. But we should name it later on. We can name it, but
Later on.
yeah, I already like did the pre-made stuff, so I don't know if you should edit the to bird's eye view or eye's eye view,
Oh
but
yeah, we should put it to bird's eye views
okay, okay,
because it's gonna be like from looking from like the top down.
okay,
That's what that means.
all right. So to update to bird's eye view, like I forgot how to do that.
Yeah, bird's eye.
Uh-huh.
Go to physics, like to the physics tab.
Okay. Oh, not that one. I go here. Where is the physics tab?
It's at the bottom.
Oh, right here.
Yeah,
It's the
yeah,
rocket.
yeah. It's the rocket, and then
Hyperpad rocket.
yes, and then you
Okay.
just put bird's eye view.
Bird's eye view.
Yep, you're good.
So,
Yay.
bird's eye view for the defense tower kind of game. So you did give me like a little game plot. So for today, so basically we're imagining a towel in the middle, and
A
there's
towel?
enemies. Yeah, there's gonna be like we need to protect the towel, right? Not like a towel.
Town.
Not like a towel. Yes. Right.
Town.
Yeah, a town.
Or yeah, yeah, or town. You can honestly change it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's gonna be a towel, a tower in the middle, and
Oh,
then
tower.
yeah, and then there's gonna be like a king, and the king is gonna be like a little gene, because that's the kind of like asset that I found today for us. I downloaded free assets because I didn't have time to make a cool art game like you guys, and I used the website called Kine, right? So that's the one that you recommended me.
Yeah.
So if you guys are looking to like for free assets, you can always like check this one because it's free and it's I think it's copy free as well. So
Yeah, I'm
right?
gonna post that in the chat.
Yeah,
Just in case you guys like want to look at their assets.
yeah, it's called
They're
Kine.
free.
Yeah, just post the link there so you guys can
Yeah, I
check it
posted it.
out. Yeah.
Yeah,
So
you guys will search it up and you'll see it.
so that's the kind of game that we're gonna make today. So we're gonna put like little towel, and then I can see like a king, and then we have like crazy enemies today. Like there's you guys can choose the enemy. We have like I'll show you guys like the enemies that we have today. Like Like we have this dragon, like we have like this weird minion here. I don't know, like what is this? The genie here. I'm gonna use it as the king.
Ooh, okay.
And yeah, so this is kind of like all the assets that I downloaded with the free asset software that you recommended me. But we're probably gonna need more assets like the coins, right? Because you said that you wanted to have a currency, like so we need to
Yeah,
some currency to defeat the enemies, right?
yeah.
To purchase and upgrade defenses. So I'm gonna go ahead and import like I know we shouldn't start with assets right away, but like I'm super pumped by the assets because
They're really easy to import too from the
yeah.
Hyperpad shop.
Yeah, so I just click on the Hyperpad shop, and because we need coins, we're gonna go with the platform start pack or which one? Job.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
think it's the
Yeah.
platformer starter pack. Yeah.
All right. So I'm clicking on this one, close. So again, so let's go back, and we did update to the bird eye view instead of the side view because like why would you say that?
Okay.
Just so we have like everybody can see.
So bird's eye view and side view are like different games, different
Yeah.
game types. Side view is like Mario, like platformer style games, and bird's eye view is like looking from the top view. Bird's eye view has no gravity, so like if you put a physics object down, it's not gonna fall, and that's like the difference right there.
Oh yeah, that does make sense because
Yeah,
when you look at this kind of game, like how we were looking here, like the defense game is like when you come here, like it's on the bird eye view, right? So you have the farm here, like you're looking at this.
yeah,
So this is the kind of like game that we're trying to make. It's not gonna be as smooth because you know it's a like 2D platform and pre-made assets today, but yeah, so we're gonna teach you how to make it. So what should we start with? Should we start with like our background? Like should we start like making our game, like how it looks
hmm,
like?
I don't
What you
know.
guys think
I
on the
think
comments?
yeah. Let's see what the chat says.
It says
Oh, they're talking about their game.
yeah, you guys can give us some suggestions if you want, like what kind of things you want us to talk about today because this is a
Ooh,
live stream.
that they had this idea where they can have planes spawn the enemies.
Plane
Yeah,
spawn.
like we have like a plane flying by and it drops enemies. How cool does that
Yeah,
sound? Yeah.
yeah, that's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let's see. So I'm trying to check the live chat. Sorry, guys. All right. So let's do that. We do have planes, so
Yeah, we
we
have
can add
planes.
that. Yeah, we can add that to the chat.
What
All
should be
right,
the
so
background? Hmm.
let's check. I feel like the background should be like green, right?
Green for
Like,
grass. Yeah, yeah.
yeah, because it's like a like you said, it's a bird eye view game,
Yeah.
and we're making like a tower defense game. So I'm assuming it's green. Like I don't know what you guys think.
Yeah, I'm feeling green.
We can also look at the some of the download um backgrounds options here. No, this one's
That
not
doesn't
good.
make sense from a
No,
top view.
let's just
Yeah.
do green for hyperpad.
Yeah. Oh
Bless.
yeah, Hyperpad green.
So guys, this is our game. Thank you very much for coming to watch. Just kidding.
I was about to say.
All right.
Okay.
So let's add our
Okay.
assets, no?
Yeah, let's add the tower that we're gonna have to defend first.
I have so many assets here. As you can see, there are planes. And if you guys want different planes, we also have planes on our remember our
Yeah, on the
other
asset
platform?
pack. The
Yeah, on
asset
our asset
store.
pack. We need towels, so I'm gonna add towel stuff here. What else? More towel stuff. We need a king, right?
Yep.
Because this is a fun game. The Gene will be the king. This kind of reminds me of a game that you've done it with Jason before on a live stream.
Yeah.
You guys kind of done this game before, right? Like D&D.
Kinda, but Hyperpad has changed a bit, and it's
Yeah,
actually a lot easier to make now.
bless. So that's what I'm gonna
Yeah.
do. Okay. Okay. Should I add more towels? All right. I'm gonna add this one. And then what you guys say in the comments? Like, I'm not checking the comments. Anyone saying anything? Like, all right.
Live chat's funny.
That's fun. Thanks for interacting with us, guys. We appreciate this. All right. So we also need some like land stuff, right? So
Sure. Yeah, yeah.
I don't know, like I have like some really cool stuff here. Like I don't know. Should I because if I just add the castle by itself, it's not gonna look good, but it's okay. This is our beginner's game, so this is our
Yeah,
castle. This green is like a little bit too green for me, but maybe
it's
we
too
should.
green. You can change that.
Yeah, I'm gonna change it real quick. It's a little bit too bright, too like not like
Too saturated.
yeah, too saturated. Yeah, I
You
need
can yeah, you can move the color towards the white a little
I
bit.
need something more light, something more light, but not too light.
Yeah, you can make it darker too.
Yeah, maybe this is too bright. What do you guys think? Am I just overthinking this?
Yeah, I
Uh,
think that's a good color.
Sage.
It's like a
That's
little. Yeah, yeah. It's okay.
yeah, I agree. All right, just doesn't need to be perfect. Okay, that's good. All right,
Cool.
so
Oh, that's good.
I'm gonna make my castle, and this is white. I don't like this.
It has
Oh
the white
no,
background.
no! Why does my castles have white background? So sad. Wait, let me try something. Like if I import and then I click on.
There's this weird um bug with the camera roll. Well, actually, this is Apple's thing. If you import anything from the camera roll,
Mm,
it will keep the white background.
really? No.
Yeah, that's Apple's fault. It's not our fault. So you guys can blame Apple for that.
Okay. For now, this can be like our towel. It doesn't
There
need to
are
be.
apps to fix this, but like
Yeah.
we're not gonna do that on stream.
No, no, that's okay. It doesn't need to be like ah, that's okay. It's like it's pixel art. If you guys ask me, this is pixel art. All right, so this is my gene. I'm gonna add my gene here. The gene is the king, and I also want to add some minions to protect the tower.
Ooh, Clarissa, you could try playing around with something called blending modes. So if you select the castle
Mm-hmm.
and press on that thing below the color icon, there's different blending modes. You can go through each of them and see what they all do.
Oh,
Yeah, that
nice.
one removes the white background, but it looks a little bit weird.
It looks like
But
a green castle right now.
yeah,
Well, what can we do to change the color for this? It's just gonna be like a green castle.
it's always like using what's underneath it. So if you like put it over the gray block, it will appear gray.
Really?
Yeah. Okay,
Okay.
try setting it to that blending mode. Yeah, see, it's gray.
Okay, that's new. I didn't know that. Did you guys know this?
Yeah.
This is cool. I mean, like, I would just rather keep the white background because, like, I don't want a green castle.
Okay, yeah, yeah, that makes sense. I'm just looking at the live chat. That's why I'm laughing.
Yeah? What you guys saying? Like, I'm not keeping track of this. Oh, nice.
That's fire.
Do you guys support our castle? Does it look good? Doesn't need to look perfect. Okay. This is our king. We should name him. What should it be called?
I don't know.
What do you guys think? Put in the comments. Put in the comments. All
So
right.
this is what we're gonna have to protect.
So this is our interesting castle. I'm so disappointed, but it's okay.
King Bob Jackson. Ooh, we got some
Okay,
suggestions.
let's do Jackson because Bob, we've done it many times.
King King Bob.
I think Jackson sounds more like a king.
Jackson. Let's name him Jackson. Yeah, we already have Green Alien as Bob.
It does look like it's a chess game right now. But it's not. It's a defense tower game, guys. All right. Let's add the minions, right? I was
Sure.
thinking about using this for as the minions to protect the castle. Does this look like minions to you?
Yeah, kinda. But the thing about like these tower defense games is that you put these in by yourself. Like it's not already in the game.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like that's where the currency comes in because you buy these and then you put it on
Perfect.
your tower defense.
Okay. So just so you guys know, these are gonna be your minions that you can buy. So I'm gonna remove it right now because we're not
Yeah.
gonna put in the game. But just so you know. And then we can add the oops. Then we can add the enemy, which you guys can help me choose. I have different kind of dragons here. What kind of dragons y'all feel? Like a green dragon, like a red
Yo, all
dragon?
of them looks
Do you want like
cool.
a purple dragon? Like I was thinking about like maybe the purple dragon because it's too much green right now.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm
Like
leaning towards purple or red. Hmm.
yeah, we can do both too, right?
Yeah, we could. Like
Yeah,
one of them could be more powerful than the other.
yeah. This giving me some
Red.
Marvel.
Okay,
You
someone says
know,
red.
someone said red. Okay, I'll add the red.
Yay. The purple one can be the more powerful one.
All right. You guys
Yay.
can get these assets for free online, like, but it would be cool to see you guys making this. So
Yep.
now it's getting like it's becoming scary, right? Look at this. Look at this scary ass. Like,
and uh and this one these enemies are gonna be physics objects because they're gonna be moving and stuff.
is my castle too small, guys, or is this like a good size?
I think it's a good size.
I didn't even ask, but is the castle gonna be like a viewer object, or is it gonna be like a wall object? Probably a wall object,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah, because the enemies are gonna have like to touch it and
It's
stuff.
gonna collide with each other.
Yeah, yeah. And when they
Um,
collide, it does damage to the castle. That's what we kind of intended it to
mhm.
do.
I have three different kind, like not three. I have four different objects right now for the castle. Are they? Do they all have to be connected with each other for this kind of game, or
Not
like
really, but maybe in this case it would be better to put them all together
yeah,
because we want to focus on one thing
yeah. So let's do that. So
just to keep it simple.
yeah, do we do that with like this feature here? Like, oops. Or how would we like add all of them together as one
I mean, you could
view?
make them all scenery objects and then have like an invisible box that would act as one object.
Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
I really like that. That's a good idea. Okay, period. Period. Do you guys understand why we're making all of this scenery object? Like, just and like you want to explain our Xcode because I think it's important on the streams to explain the basics on this on this part.
Yeah, we're simply
Yeah,
just putting all of these or changing all of these into scenery objects
yeah,
and then adding another object that will like act as the entire castle.
yeah. So as you guys see right now, like I added all of them as scenery objects, and then I'm gonna put like an empty object right now and make this empty object my whole castle,
Castle.
right?
Yep.
It's gonna be called empty object. And if you guys watched the previous stream, oops, we've kind of did that with the angry, not the Angry Bird, but like the Tap Tap Bird game. We did that too, right?
Yeah.
With the
Yeah.
mountains. Just one of those things that make your life easier when you're making your game. All right. Okay. So this
Someone
is
wants to
gonna
have
be
a burrito as an enemy.
a burrito as an enemy. I don't, I don't have that asset, but if you guys can send me a burrito, I'll put that on the game. I will put that on the game. Just
That's
like,
so funny.
just if you guys have me on Discord or put it on our Discord channel, we'll put the burrito on the game, even if it's on part two. All
Yeah.
right. But design me like a nice burrito. Don't give me like some ugly burrito. All right. Okay, so let's start with the behaviors for our. Let's start with the behaviors, right? And this is gonna be a
Yeah.
wall object. Should we start with the behaviors for the castle or the behaviors for the enemy? What you thinking?
Ooh. Let's do the castle. Okay. I got an idea.
Okay.
So we're gonna have it. So whenever an enemy touches the castle, it will take damage. But currently, there's no way for it to like be seen. So we need to have like a health bar to show on the
Oh,
castle. And that's easy. You just have to add a health bar.
yeah. So just to add the health bar, guys, you click on the flask here, and then you click on the health bar, and then you have the health bar. That's how you add the health.
Yep.
So
Normally, the health bar is like shown next to the castle. You wouldn't like put it in the corner.
um,
Yeah, that's how it is in games like Clash Royale and Clash of Clans, the game you just saw earlier.
bro, I need to play these games more often. It sounds like too addictive, so that's the issue.
Yeah, it is.
But I don't like the green container because it's too green. Can we change the color with this? Like, or can we change the health bar?
Yeah, we can, but like we don't have the assets for that. So
Oh,
if
okay.
you set the thing to bar, like if you go back to the health bar behavior,
The health bar behavior, okay.
yeah, or the health bar object, there's container and bar. Let's go to the bar, and you can change the color of the bar.
I like that idea better because like it's too green right now.
Yeah,
There's like
you can change it.
let's do
Yeah,
red.
but the bar is already like green, so changing it to another color makes it look weird.
What?
So yeah, yeah. If you set it to white, it's just green because it's a green image. Yeah,
Oh, okay. Well, we can keep it green for now, and
yeah.
then
Let's keep it green.
yeah.
Yeah, it looks good. Okay, cool. Let's add a tag to the enemies, and let's make a tag for the enemies. So,
Okay,
yep.
to do so, you click here on the enemy, and then you click on the little tag on the bottom right, and then if you would, and you click here, and then you tag, and then you add your tag, which we're gonna be called enemy, right?
Yeah, let's call it enemy.
Enemy, just to make life easier. And then this is
Oh
gonna
wait,
be.
you didn't add it in. You didn't add it
Oh,
in.
I always do that. So when you click on
You
this, you
have to
have to
click the plus button.
plus, yeah.
Yeah.
So you guys know when you add a tag, when you have that green light, that green circle thing, that's when you, that's when you know you added the tag. Okay.
Yep.
Do I have to do the same for this one?
Yeah, I think you should.
Enemy one and enemy two then.
No, it'll be the same tag
Oh, okay.
because they're gonna be treated the same when they touch the castle.
And that's the purpose of tag, just like what we were doing with the empty object. We're just the tag is there to to make sure that all the behaviors are the same,
Yeah,
right?
for each of those objects. Yeah.
All right. Good.
Cool. Let's
So
go to
we
the
have our
castle.
simple layout, which looks nothing like the first thing I showed you guys. But it's okay. Let's go to the castle. We click. Are we clicking on the behaviors for
Yeah,
the?
let's go to the behaviors of the castle.
Okay.
Cool. Now let's make it so when an enemy touches the castle, it will subtract from the health bar. So let's go to the behaviors and search for collided.
Yeah, I thought about that. Collided.
Yep, collided. Cool. And go to the tags. Now you don't have to like yeah, go to the tags and press enemy. So now this behavior is set so when it touches any enemy, it will do something. And in this case, we want to subtract from the health bar. So search for a behavior called add to health bar.
I'm like dancing because I'm like understanding this.
Oh, look, there it is. Add to health
So
bar.
when
Oh,
I understand something, I celebrate.
yep. And
What
then
do
you
you get?
connect them. Awesome. And in the add to health bar behavior, we can make it so it subtracts. Yep. So right now it's a positive value. Let's set it to be a negative value. So maybe like -1, -2. This is in percentage. And the health bar has 100% health. So you can have it take away 2% of health, 1% of health, however much you want.
I'm feeling like two.
2%. Cool, cool.
Yeah.
And
Right.
yeah, we have to program our enemies still. They don't move yet.
Okay. Yeah, we need to make sure that our enemies are moving.
Cool. So let's go into the enemies, into the enemy behaviors. One of them. Yeah, let's do the
Like,
purple one, I guess.
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter which one we go for.
Well, yeah, but at the end, we can just copy it, copy the object, and change the graphic of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Just check.
Okay. So what the enemies are gonna do is that they're gonna be constantly moving towards the tower. So we need to
Mhm.
have a timer that constantly does that. So let's search for a timer behavior.
Timer.
Yep.
Timer. Is it like time or timer?
Timer.
Oh,
It's the blue one or whatever the color is.
it's blue. Yeah, it looks like
Yeah, it's
marine blue.
blue. It's like
Yeah.
marine blue.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right. And right now it's set to run every 1 second, but you want this to be like a fast timer, so maybe like 0.1 seconds.
And is it gonna
Cool.
move randomly?
No, we're gonna make it move towards the
Yeah.
castle.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Cool.
I like that. Okay.
So now we need to have a behavior that calculates the direction from the object to the castle. That sounds complex. Let's search for a behavior called calculate direction.
Also, guys, like if you guys have questions, feel free to ask us. Okay. Calculate direction. I'm not always keeping track of the comments, but we do want to answer your questions if you guys do have some. All right.
Cool.
Calculate direction.
Yep. And now for the slot on the right, we want to select the castle. Yep.
Our beautiful white and brown castle. Pixel
Cool.
art.
Awesome. Now you're calculating the direction from the enemy to the castle. So we have to make it move towards the castle. So let's have a behavior called apply force.
Apply force.
Yep.
So we're putting this behavior because what you're saying.
We're gonna make the enemy move. So the
Um,
this behavior is gonna make them move.
mm, apply force.
Yep.
Physics.
Yeah, physics. That's why we made them into a physics object.
Yes. All right. So I have the behavior apply force here. Do I connect with the calculate direction behavior or I connect with
Yep.
the
Yeah,
timer
you
behavior?
connect those.
Okay. And
Cool.
I have the apply force behavior
Yep.
here.
And this is gonna sound complex, but you want to plug the output of the calculate direction behavior into the x and y. So for this one, you put x, yeah, vector x, and for the other one, you put vector y. So what
Mm-hmm.
this is doing is calculating the direction from the enemy to the castle, and based on like what angle it is, it will move the enemy. That's what this is doing.
Wow, that's really cool.
And you're done. You're already done.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's it?
Yeah,
That's it?
that's it. You made a moving enemy. You can try it out right now.
Oh my god. Okay, let's try it out. Ooh, all right. Oh. Oh, what?
It looks so funny.
Guys, what do you think about this? I'm almost done with the burrito enemy sprites. Oh my god! Fran Rojo is making the burrito enemy sprites. Nice.
Nice, nice.
Nice.
Yeah, it's goofy.
Guys, this is our game. Thank you for watching.
This is not supposed to be too serious. We're just having fun.
Uh, just kidding. All right. This is the first game. I'm proud of us. I think we're doing great.
Yeah, we're doing okay. We're doing okay. That's awesome.
All right. So we made one enemy move, but the issue is that the other enemy is not moving, and
Yeah,
they're throwing the
we just have
raccoon
to
wood.
duplicate the object.
Okay, okay. We duplicate the object,
Yeah.
and there's
Or
going.
we could have it so like that they spawn randomly, like how we did in that Flappy Bird demo.
Yeah, I think that would be pretty cool. Let's
Yeah,
do
let's
that.
try that. Let's try that.
Let's do
You
that.
can delete the red one, by the way.
Okay. Sorry, guys. The red one is gone.
You can change the purple one to be the red one for now.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the red one is
Cool.
back.
Yay.
To change, just so you guys know, to change, you just click on the picture on the right, and then you change. Okay. All
Awesome.
right. So let's make it to spawn. So to make it to spawn, we click on the behaviors
Let's
of
go
the
to the tower for this.
okay behavior of the towel.
Yeah. And we can have it run on a timer like how we did with the enemy, but much slower. So let's
Yeah.
search for the timer behavior again. Awesome. And maybe we can have an enemy spawn like every 10 seconds. I don't know.
Oh no, it's spawn.
Yeah, spawn.
Spawn on area or spawn on object?
Ooh, we could have it spawn on an area. Yeah, yeah.
What
Spawn
would
on
be
area.
the difference between spawn on object and spawn on area?
Spawn on object, it takes the enemy and it will spawn it on something else. But if you spawn it in an area, it'll spawn it in like an area. It should be self-explanatory.
Yeah, okay. But
Yeah.
this just because I only asked because we don't want it to be spawned randomly on the game, right? We want it to be spawned towards the castle. So
Yeah, yeah. I think we should use spawn on area. Yeah.
because the castle is the object, right? So that's
Yeah,
why I
and
thought,
we don't want it to spawn on the castle. That's bad.
yeah. Yeah, it would be like the other way.
Yeah.
All right. So we have the object, the behavior here, spawn on area, and I connect with timer,
Yep.
and then tada.
Yep. Make sure it's spawning the purple or the red enemy. So click on the box. Yep, and select the enemy. Awesome. And press on the spawn area.
Spawned area, yes.
Yep, and you can select where the enemy should spawn. So you want it to kind of spawn far away from the castle.
I wanted to spawn towards the castle. Yeah, I wanted like I
You want
see.
it to spawn like far away from the castle, so the enemies can approach it. Yeah, they can come from the sides.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm like visualizing like this. It's like the castle is in the middle, and then there is dragons coming towards the castle. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
then I'm gonna put it on the castle, right? Like spawn towards the castle.
yeah.
That's what I'm thinking. Did I select the castle?
You already selected the enemy. You just have to select the area where the enemy should spawn.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
Should
gosh, that's
be
so close. It should be like a little far away.
a little far away. Oh,
Yeah, that's gonna spawn it close to the castle. So like
here.
maybe
Is
it
it
should
too
be like
small?
it should be a large area. You don't want it to spawn in the same place. Oh my gosh. Someone made a burrito asset and sent it in our Discord.
Oh, we're putting in there. I think I did put this spawn thing area, but I don't know if I put it correctly. Let's. Do you want to test it?
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Let's test it. Oh wow!
It looks so goofy.
There's an issue. This game is having an overcrowd of dragons, so we need to fix this right now. So what are we gonna do? Guys, there's too many dragons here. How what are we gonna do?
Our castle. Oh no.
Our castle is dead. We need some lock rotation.
Yeah, because it's rotating. The enemy shouldn't rotate. So
Yeah,
let's go to the enemies.
yeah. Let's go to the enemies.
This is so funny. I'm sorry. Let's go to the behaviors and add a behavior called lock rotation.
Thank you, Spark Film, for that. Lock rotation. Do I
Yeah,
have to?
it's already done. You don't have to do anything with the behavior.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
Yeah. Yeah. You look so funny. I think
This,
their collisions are like too big. You can see gaps between them.
yeah. Yep. We don't want this. But this is our game for now. Do we like it? Or do we need a burrito?
Let's get a burrito. It's in the Discord server.
Okay. They just send it on the casual chat.
In the artwork chat.
Artwork. Okay, let's see.
It's pixel art too. I like that.
Art showcase.
Yep.
Oh, I see it. It looks. I thought it was a corn for a second.
Oh yeah, it does look like a corn.
Oh, okay, okay. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys burrito. This is a funny looking burrito. Hopefully. Oh yeah, he did send us a PNG thing. Thank you.
Yeah, it's PNG too. Transparent.
Bless. Okay, let's add the burrito as our enemy. Oh gosh. Did I receive it? Bio. The things we do for the game. All right, so I click here on my burrito. It's here. This is my burrito.
Yay.
Good job. Primo, you're the one that did this, right? Import.
Yeah, Primero. Wait, I don't know how to say his name.
But this looks like a very innocent enemy.
Yeah,
It looks so innocent.
it does look innocent.
If anything, this should be the king, right?
Yeah, this could be our king, honestly.
Yeah. Or maybe the queen.
Or the queen.
Yeah, let's
Yeah.
make this the queen.
Oh, it's Prime Rojo.
Yeah.
That's how you pronounce it. His name.
Thank you for giving us the queen of the game. Alright,
Oh my god.
we have our burrito as a queen. Okay, so we were talking about the enemy. You think that there's too much collision, right? No, not
Yeah,
collision. There's too much, like the collision is too big. So let's
yeah.
fix that with the arrows. We're gonna click on the arrows touching each other
Yep.
here,
It's
and then
rotated.
make it smaller.
Yep.
All right, is this okay? Ta-da! All
Also,
right,
you should rotate the sprite to be 0 because it looks weird tilted like that.
the
So go,
sprite.
yeah, yeah, go to the transform tab of that
Okay,
object.
of this object.
Yeah, yeah, and then set the rotation to 0 because it does look weird rotated to the left a little.
Enter.
Yeah, that's better.
Yes. All
You
right.
think the enemy is like too big compared to the castle?
Maybe. Let's make it a bit shorter, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is this a good size, guys? Like, yo,
Oh,
do you like it?
yeah, I like it.
Ooh, talking about burrito is making me hungry. Let's
You
test
can
it.
eat after the stream.
Let's test it. Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, that's a lot better. It looks so funny. I like that though. It's hurting us. Oh no.
Definitely, like, we need some defense in this game. It's like it's called tower defense game, right? So we need that.
Yeah. I think the enemies are spawning too fast too,
Yeah,
and they're moving way too fast.
let's fix that behavior.
So yeah, in calculate direction, there's a thing called normalized vector. You should enable that.
It's normalized, all right.
Yeah, it should be smaller now. That just makes it so like the x and y vectors they're like equal to 1. So it's not like a big number or anything,
Mm-hmm.
if that
Let's
makes any sense. So that
so
means it'll move a lot slower.
yeah, okay, let's test.
Hey, that's actually kind of the perfect speed.
Yeah. Okay, so it starts slow and it goes faster.
Yeah, it gets a little faster. It's like charging towards the castle.
Yeah.
I like this though. It's working.
I know, but it's like, what is happening? There's so much. There's an overcrowded population of dragons in this game.
Yeah, they're spawning too fast too.
And the burrito is just there. Like, is it because we added the burrito later on? Is that why?
Yeah, but we can fix that. It's
Okay.
you can change the Z order.
Okay.
Oh, the castle's done. No health.
Okay, guys, we need to add some protection for this castle. So should we add the coin system for
Yeah,
for
let's fix the corn first,
the corn?
or the
Okay,
or
let's
the or the burrito.
go.
Go to the transform tab.
The transform time is the one like next to the rocket, guys.
Yep, and then you can change the Z order to make it a smaller number. That just means that it will go under the enemies. So if you check the Z order of the enemies, like if you click on the enemies, you can see the Z order is like,
Five.
is that 9?
It's five.
It's 5. Oh, it's hard to see. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
5. So if you set the Z order of the corn to be 4, then it will go under. It will draw under the enemy.
Like, what would you say like the Z order exactly is? Is it like the order of the layout of the
It's
game?
like the order of how things are drawn to the screen. So like
Um,
smaller numbers are drawn first. Oh wait, no, that's wrong. Bigger numbers are drawn first.
that makes sense. Yay! Now I get it. Beautiful.
Okay, let's try it.
Okay, so let's see how it goes. This is a really nice looking burrito corn. Or it can be like a corn that That has a head. All right, it
It
works.
works. Awesome.
Yay! I'm proud of us. Can't believe that I made this game. It's almost like I made it alone, basically.
Yeah, you technically did.
Nah, you guys helping me. Let's see. What do you guys say in the comments? Okay, it looks better. I think you should give the enemy air resistance so they don't accelerate so fast.
Yeah, we can do that. That's
Uh-huh.
pretty easy to do. I mean, they're kind of already moving slow enough, but like we can probably add like a little bit of air resistance.
Okay.
So let's go to the enemy object. Yep, and add a behavior called set physics properties.
Physics properties.
Yep, set physics property. It's yeah that one. Cool, and select that. You want to set the air resistance. So right now it's to set mass. Let's set it to set air resistance. Yep. And we can set it to be like 1%. So 0% is no air resistance, 1% and higher than that is like a little bit of air resistance. And
Okay.
it that just means that it will move slower in the air.
Okay. 1%.
Yeah, let's try 1%. Oh wow. It's slow.
Well, if this is a dragon, it's not a slot, right? So
That's okay. We can increase the speed of it. We don't have the air resistance. We're good on that because they're not speeding up, which is good.
okay. Thank you for the suggestion. Spark film.
Let's
How do
go
you
on the apply force behavior.
apply first?
Yep. And there's a thing called a multiplier. Right now it's at 1. So the bigger the number, the bigger the force.
Okay.
It
So
basically multiplies the force. Yeah.
mm, 5.
Yeah. Let's try. Yep, they move a little faster.
Is it
And
because
and
it's
they're not
because
speeding up.
force and velocity is related with each other, right? Like so that's why.
Yeah.
From what I remember in physics class, that's been a while.
Yeah.
It's like force
Mm.
time. That was like an emergency
You don't have to worry about the equations.
because your hyperpad does that for you. But still, it's
Yeah.
good to think about the concept. All right, so it looks better now. What do you guys think?
Yeah, it looks better. Someone
Any
wants to make like
suggestions?
a tank enemy for us.
Oh
Yeah,
yeah,
let's
do
do the
that.
physics.
Please do it. I love when you guys make art for us, so I don't have to download shitty assets.
Yeah, we just use assets from for free from
Yeah.
online. Yeah.
All right. So should now that we have that, we need
Let's
some
start adding our like defenses.
yeah, we need some defense. Yeah.
But before we add defenses, we need a currency. So
Yeah.
let's go on the GUI layer. I think.
GUI layer.
Yeah, that's where we're gonna add our like
Oh,
currency.
okay.
Put the
Global.
defenses up.
Looks.
I'm looking in the live chat.
Ah, this is the this is our entrance.
Ooh. What? What? Wait, what's going on?
Yo, what's up, Gershon?
Bro, who's putting that?
They're hyping us up for
I'm not
our
even-
tutorial. Wisconsin flag.
No, no.
Ay, we're gonna put the defense on. Don't worry, Sean.
Oh my gosh, it
Don't
looks so cool. I'm looking in a Discord chat. I'm looking at the Discord chat and they sent more.
They
More
sent
stuff for
more?
us. Yeah,
Oh
there's
my
more stuff for us
god.
to use.
Thanks,
So
guys.
these are rockets, I'm
I'm
assuming.
gonna add this. Download, save image. rocket. Thanks, guys.
This is cool.
Meanwhile, when I'm like uploading this, what is the next thing that we should do? Like we're gonna add coins, right?
Yeah, let's add the coins first, and then we can worry about the defenses. I can't
I
speak.
love this. Thanks, Dark Halls.
Yeah, thank you,
Hashtag
Dark
Dark
Halls.
Halls.
Yes, he says he has more. Oh my gosh.
Oh, bless. All right. So if you have coins, let us know. We're gonna add your
We can
coins
add
here.
coins and stuff. Yeah, yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna go to the platform's starter pack here that because this one has coins. So
Yeah. And let's place it in.
uh-huh.
Which corner should we put it in? Top right, top left? Which one?
I usually just put it on top, right?
Yeah, let's put it top right.
Yeah. Ooh, these things that Dark Halls are sending us, the art, we could use as defense too.
Awesome. Oh,
Okay.
these are gonna be our defenses. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, I like this. All right. I'm gonna upload this one on my iPad. Share. iPad. Draw. So we want to engage with you guys. So we love when you send us art. So we do these streams for you. So thanks for doing this. We love that. We love that. We want to support
Yo,
your
look at
journey.
these assets. They look so
Look
good.
at this. You guys. You like go above and beyond on this. We have one more coming. All right. Gonna
Yo.
upgrade our game. Gonna click here, imports, graphics. Gonna go to camera roll, recent. Gonna add this from Dark Halls. He makes really good games, guys. Make sure you play his games on HyperViewer.
Yes.
All right. All right, we have that. Okay, so now we have our coins, we have our defense. Now we need to connect them.
Oh yeah, let's add a label to the currency
Yeah.
to keep track of how much currency we have. Yeah. Ooh, it matches in with the green. Let's set it to be a white text,
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah. How much currency should we start with? Like,
We can start with like 100. It's like
yeah, and then we can
yeah.
use that to like put in our defenses right away. Yeah, let's start with 100 for now.
Remember when you were a kid and then when you had like $5, you're rich? And now you have $100 and you still like need more. All right. I don't like how this looks. I think that the 100 should be next to the coin. So I'm gonna
No, you can do that. You can do that.
I'm gonna
Oops.
fix that. Just gonna fix the rotation because I think I rotated this. Oh no, the rotation was fine here. I was trying to
It
get
was the coin. It was the coin that was rotated.
yeah, I was trying to fix the coin. Coin, why don't you like me? Is it because I'm in global UI? And then the coin. Did I add the coin on the main scene? No,
No,
I
you
didn't.
added it on a global. Yeah, I remember.
Oh, here you go. Now you like me. Okay, rotation to 0. I learned that from you.
Yay!
All right. Is the collision here like too big? Should I make it shorter from the label, or is that
Well,
not
it
enough?
doesn't really matter here because
Uh,
the player's not gonna even need to touch it.
That's
So,
true. Just here to should I add the coin as a viewer, like a viewer object, or it doesn't matter?
oh, on the global UI, it doesn't matter what it
Um,
is because there's no physics object or no scene or wall objects on the global UI. It's just plain objects.
all right, I'm starting to like our little game. It's looking cute. It has its charm. It's definitely not polished, but it has its charm.
It has a charm. Yeah.
Yeah. All right. So we have that. Next.
Cool.
Already.
Let's add a shop
Okay.
to have our defenses. So yeah, we can stay on the global UI for now, and we're gonna add like the stuff that we can put on the ground. So
Okay.
so let's go to the assets and look for things that we can put on the shop.
Okay. Oops. Oh, we definitely should use the things that Dark Hall sent us, like the
Yeah,
little like.
yeah, yeah. Let's
But
use those.
we can use those. But you have people want airplanes too, so we can add an
Yeah, we
airplane.
can. You can use it. I thought the airplanes were gonna be like first spawning the enemies.
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true. Let's
And we can
add
add that
that
later on.
later on. Later on. Also, like I have this little random assets here. Like I have this mushroom. You know, I don't know. I have this little ball here. Reminds me of Star Wars a little bit.
Cool.
Yeah, we have that. And then there's little fairies here.
Oh,
Oh,
interesting.
little fairies, and I have a frog as well.
Is that the Death Star? No, it's not. No,
All
it's
right.
not. Spark.
All right. So let's add our shop. So how do you envision our shop? Do you want to like do like a different
It's just like
scene? Like a
it's
different scene for this?
no, you don't need a different scene. You can just put it all in the global UI because there's only gonna be one scene anyways.
Okay.
So we maybe we should put like we can put it on the side like that.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, it's up to you. I don't know how to like design it.
I think that it looks good either on the side, but the only issue is like if we have the dragons coming towards the castle, isn't that gonna block the shop? You know what I mean?
Oh no, because it's on a different layer.
Oh, okay, okay,
The enemies won't touch the stuff on the global layer.
fair enough. Because like what I've done when I played different games before, like the shop was on a different layer, literally like a different layer. There was like a menu with the shop, and then we shop there. That's what I was thinking, for the
Yeah,
game.
yeah. We can have like a button that toggles the shop if you want.
Yeah,
It's really easy to add.
because that's what I was thinking. Because putting the shop on the side, like I don't know, it doesn't look smooth. What do you guys think?
Okay. Hmm.
Am I just overthinking? Like I've
Ooh.
seen you guys at Hyperpad doing like shops like on the side, so I like that. Like a
Okay.
different
Yeah,
page
yeah.
for shops.
And then next to the items, there can be like a label on each of them showing how much money it costs to buy it.
Yeah, let's do that. See, that's what I'm thinking. I think that if we have an empty page, then we have more space to add more assets, more assets for the Hyperpad shop for the
Yeah.
shop, right?
Yeah.
So should we go to overlay and then we make a different layer, or like
I think
or
we could make a different layer, like
a
a new
different layer?
layer for this.
Yeah.
The problem with overlays is that overlays it doesn't work with like scenes when you're like buying stuff.
Oh, okay.
Cause like the scene and the overlays they don't talk to each other.
Hmm. Yeah.
So yeah.
But for this kind of game, I'm interested to hear you guys because you're the one that asked about. So for the tower defense kind of games, when you have the shop, is the shop in the game or is the shop on a separate part of the game? That's the question. We're making a tower defense game, so that's what I'm asking. Is it
Yeah,
like
yeah.
usually in the game
In my opinion, I would like use it during the game. It
during
would
the
be
game?
like in the game, like it's not a separate scene.
Okay, so let's do that because like we're making a
Yeah.
tower defense game, so let's do
Yeah,
that.
and every time you switch scenes, it's gonna reset anyways, so you don't
Okay,
want that. Yeah.
let's do that. I don't want to overcomplicate. Like this is a tower defense game. Should I make it like a little smaller? The defense.
If you want.
I'm not saying. Maybe the enemies should come in waves, so you have time to shop for stuff. Maybe each wave could add a value, and then that could add the enemies, and each wave could get so it gets harder and harder. Oh, that's usually shopper appear in between waves. That's
Yeah.
what Spark Film said. So what do you mean by waves, though?
Okay, waves are like rounds.
Oh, okay.
They're like rounds of enemies that come. So
Okay, so
they're not always spawning. Uh, like in between waves they don't spawn at all. So like
mm-hmm.
wave one, there's like 5 enemies. Wave two, there's 10 enemies, and so on and so on.
Oh, I see.
Yeah.
So let's do that. Like, so I have the some of the options for the shop, and then we can add the labels, as you said.
Wait,
I
what's the mushroom for?
don't know. I thought it was kind of funny.
I was so confused. I was
For
like,
the
we're gonna buy
fan.
mushrooms. Okay.
There's a fairy too, but it's very small. I want to make it bigger.
Oh, we're gonna use fairies. Oh yeah. Ooh, tank.
Do
Somebody
we
sent
have?
a tank. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay. Let's do the tank. Oh, this is a really cool tank.
Yeah.
Wow. He even have like different pictures so we can have a mini like a mini like how do you say it? Like animation.
Yeah, I like.
All right. We'll do that. Thanks guys. This is definitely one of the most like the most engaging streams that we've done in a while. So we love that. We want you guys to do this more often. Share.
Whoa. That sounds like a cool idea.
Yeah. This is our tank that one of our Hyperpad users just sent us. Thank you. Then there's another tank coming. Airdrop. All right. Here you go. We have two tanks.
Nice.
So we don't need to add the random fairy. Just in
Yeah, I forgot why we added that.
I just added that because we needed more. So now we have it. All right. So adding the fairies. Love that. Thanks, guys. Beautiful. Okay. Bye, fairy. Done.
Yeah, that works.
The tank, because it's like it looks fancy, maybe we can do it for more expensive, right?
Yeah, that can be an expensive one.
Yeah. All right, so you want to add different labels for each of them, right?
Yeah.
Mhm. Or maybe I can just copy and paste the label upstairs, right?
Yeah.
Then it's easier. It's not. They're not all going to cost the same. It's just that trying to be smart about this. Here you go.
Oh yeah, you might have to fix the collisions on these ones.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, because the players are gonna have to touch them anyways. Same for the sprites, like the tank and the turrets.
Okay.
Cool.
I think this is good. Let's just since I already fixed the collision of one, I'm just gonna delete the other ones and just copy and paste it. So it's easier, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah,
Um,
you can stop that pop up from showing up if you like press the delete button right now. And when the pop up shows, you can press on the stop show me
Stop
this.
sharing.
Yeah,
Bless.
cool.
I don't know why I didn't do that earlier. All right. I'm gonna use this one. Stop showing me this.
Yep.
Thank you. Copy. Paste. Paste. All right. Thank you. I've just used like HyperPad stuff about copy and pasting. So
Yeah.
that was useful. What is the collisions? Oh no! Even though I copy and pasted, I have to still fix the collisions. Oh no, it's
No, they're
already.
fixed. It's just the text box is big.
Oh okay. The collision for this one. Fix. Fix. Fixie. 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 All right, guys. Just one of those things that we gotta do for the game to look good. Because if we don't have this, and then we can have issues when touching the game. Like you try touching one button and it does different things. So that's what we're trying to do. All right, so it's almost like 4. Like so,
It's already 4.
yeah, we've been streaming for 1 hour so far. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that we let's just add the little labels for this and then we end the stream?
Yeah. We're gonna have to shop next stream.
Yeah. There's a tank round. All right. All right. Someone asked me how to make a rhythm game. Maybe another
Oh,
stream.
that's a really hard one.
Maybe another stream.
Maybe when we do that one, I should be the one like streaming from my iPad.
Yeah, do
'Cause that's a
that.
tough one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. Like we can do it like another votes when we finish this game and then you guys can choose the next game that we're gonna do. Okay, so we have our shop. Ta-da. But let's do different values, right? Like this one can be like 400, and then this one can be like how much do you think this is
The
worth?
tank should be the expensive one, so I think the tank should be like 500.
500? I
What's that
swear that I
circle
changed.
thing?
I don't know.
I don't know what that circle thing is.
It's like a Star Wars thing.
Oh, the Death Star. That's what he was talking about. I feel so dumb.
Yeah.
That could be like, I don't know, 50. And then that last one could be like 25. Because we start with 100 coins and we want to at least buy one thing. Yeah, that seems good. I think the text boxes are too big. You should fix that.
Yeah. I'm just gonna make this one. Oops. Let's make the text box a little smaller. 30.
Yeah,
It's a good,
you just move the blue dots.
is 30 a good size?
No, I mean like the blue dots.
Oh yeah.
When you
Okay.
select the text, the blue, yeah, you just make it smaller like that. Because it's kind of
Oh.
too big. And you could
Oh.
accidentally touch it when you're not supposed to. Yeah. Yeah, around that size.
I thought you were talking about the things. When I say things, is that I forget the name, so I say I say thing.
Text
All right.
box. We call that one a text box.
Yeah. All right. It's looking good. I think we have our shop.
Yeah, it doesn't work yet, but you can see it.
Yeah. So before we end the stream, is Is there a way to do this like hyperpad shop? Not hyperpad shop. This towel defense shop like related to the game, but like faster, or do you think we should do this for the next stream?
Um, let's save it for the next stream, but we can add something real quick. We can add a button to hide and show the shop, and it's really easy to do that. So let's do that.
Okay, let's add a button for.
Yeah, so we can have it be like a text label that says show shop or something. I don't know.
Hmm, show shop.
Yeah,
Oh, shoes shop.
shoe shop. Cool, and it can be white, I guess, because it matches with the green background.
I was looking for my Apple Pencil today. Couldn't find it.
Oh,
Okay. Can be black too.
ooh, that matches him pretty good actually. I like that.
Okay.
Cool.
We can think about that. The looking pretty after.
Yeah, we can fix cosmetics later on.
Yeah.
It's not polished.
Yeah.
Cool. Maybe you can move that to the bottom right. I think that would look good. The shop icon or the show shop text. Oh, whoa! Wait, what are you doing? Oh,
Moving.
okay. You're just moving it. Okay. I mean, there was another way to move, but that works too.
Oh, it's gone. Oh, it's back. Here you go.
Cool. Now let's add a tag to all of these, to all the things that we want to hide. So if you press on that square icon above the mouse icon on the left,
Above the square icon, above the mouse.
yeah,
Uh-huh.
above the mouse on the
Mm-hmm.
left. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
And you can select all the shop stuff that you want to hide and show. So you can try dragging it from the right. Oops.
I don't know what's happening. My, my fingers stop cooperating with me today.
Ooh, it's selecting all of it. Oh, it's still selecting. Oh well, let's just do it one by one.
Yeah. Let me just fix something here. And then I select one by one, like this. Oh, I think I selected all of them. Should be okay like this, right?
Yeah, but it's gonna hide the coins too because you're selecting the coins.
I'm not supposed to select the coin?
No, because you don't want to hide the coin when the shop's closed, right? Unless you
Hmm,
want that.
okay.
Whoa, why is it so big? The text box is so big.
Oh, what? I was confusing the text box with the green box. Oh gosh. Maybe we should end the stream today.
Well, and then after we add this simple little feature.
Make sure you guys don't have nails when you use Hyped. Where's my game?
Oh.
No game.
Okay, let's tap on the mouse icon again. We're not using the multi-select thing. Okay, I'm gonna show you a special trick, just real quick. Okay, never mind. I was about to say, if you double tap with two fingers, it will reset your screen.
Mm.
That's what that does. Yeah.
So it's like double tap with 2 fingers.
Yeah. So like if you're lost on your scene, you just double tap with 2 fingers.
Okay, so if I'm here, I'm double tapping. Let me
With two
like.
fingers?
Hey!
It works.
So I'm lost again. Like, okay. Guys, you can double tap with your fingers if you're lost. Ah, I really like it.
Yeah.
This is like my favorite thing that I learned today. It makes my life so easy because every time like I'm doing a project, like sometimes I get lost and I'm like, where are you? Where'd you go? All
It
right.
also
So
works in the behaviors too.
for the behaviors.
Yeah, it works inside the behaviors too. If you get lost in there, yeah.
Wow, this text box is huge.
Yeah. Just
You
make
were
it
right.
small.
I don't know why I made such a big text box. I was confusing the text box with the green thing. Okay.
Cool. Now add a new tag called shop.
Shop.
Yep. You accidentally selected an enemy tag.
Oh, I did?
Yeah, well, yeah, add the shop tag first.
Oh, okay.
Yep. Tags. Yeah, I see it's already selected. Just yeah. Deselect the enemy tag.
Deselect the enemy tag.
Wait, select all of them again. Yep. Tags. Yeah, the enemy is already selected. Just tap on it again. Yeah, you're good.
Mm-hmm.
Yay. That took so long. Okay, now go to the show shop tags.
Uh-huh.
I think it's already it already has a tag. Let's go to the tags. Yeah, remove the shop tag from this object. You don't want this to hide. Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's go into the behaviors finally.
For the show shop.
Yeah, yeah. So we want to have it so that every time you touch it, it will hide or show the shop. So let's add a started touching behavior. Cool. And let's add a behavior called execute sequence.
As a key sequence.
Yep. Cool. Connect those. And there's a behavior called set visibility.
Mm-hmm.
Set. Yep. You're almost done already. Now connect those. Cool. And in the set visibility behavior,
All right.
you want to select the shop tag. You know where I'm going?
Select the shop tag.
The shop tag, not the object.
Oh, okay,
The
not
shop
the
tag.
object. All right. I see what you're doing.
Yeah. Shop. And right now it's set to be show graphic. So you want it to hide for this case. So you want it to hide, duplicate it. Yep. Connect that to the execute sequence. Cool. And for this one, you want it to show the graphic. Awesome. It should work. So what the execute sequence does, it runs one of its behaviors at a time from left to right. So right now it's gonna execute the set visibility behavior on the left, and then once that's done, it will do the one on the right next time. So let's try it.
Okay.
Awesome. If you tap on the show shop text, it should work, right? Yep. Awesome. You got it
This
to
is
work.
nice. This is really nice. This is actually way better than what I envisioned. I was
Yeah.
like, I thought that the characters were gonna be here the whole time.
Nah, it doesn't have to be. You just hide it whenever you want.
Okay, so for next live stream, we're gonna definitely like show you guys how the defense works, and anything else you have in mind for
Yeah.
the live stream.
That was
Like,
fun.
yeah, I think that if you guys have like graphics that you want to see on our live streams, you can always send us during the streams on our Discord channel, or you can send us after. So we're gonna do part two, and on the part two, if you have any questions that you want us to go through, or if you have any graphics that you want us to add, let us know. We want you guys to engage with us and keep growing and making really cool games and showing your art. So thank you, Xcode, for teaching us how to do this really cool game.
You're
And
welcome.
it's
Thank you,
got
Clarissa.
yeah.
That was a fun stream.
Yeah, it was a really fun stream. Like I'm glad that you guys are actually engaging with us and showing your art, because that's way more fun like that than just like doing boring assets and not any engagement. All right. So I'll see you guys next week. Okay, next
See
Friday,
ya.
3 p.m. All right. Bye. Thank you.
Bye. See ya, guys.
And leave a comment below if you guys have any questions. Bye bye.
Yeah. Bye.